You should also find such keywords and note down questions on the basis of such keywords so as to accelerate the pace of study. An important keyword from which questions may be asked is utmost good faith. Utmost good faith, Uberrima finds. When one enters into an insurance contract, the same is based on utmost good faith. In a contract, both the parties are obliged to disclose all material information which may be of importance whether or not it is requested. Without utmost good faith, an insurance contract would take the form of a wager or a gambling transaction. Any non-disclosure or misrepresentation of a material fact by the proposer would make the contract voidable and the insurer can cancel the contract. Another important keyword is risk selection. Risk selection for a health insurance, both the insurer and insured will try to make the risk selection on the basis of decision cost-effective to each of them. The insurer will obviously select and insure the proposer with a low risk as compared to the one with the high risk. Similarly, the person with the higher health risk would want to purchase health insurance more than a healthy person with low risk. The insurer decides on the basis of acceptance and pricing rules which risks they will accept and at what price, through a process known as underwriting. Underwriting is the process of which of the following? The options are A. Marketing insurance products. B. Collecting premiums from customers. C. Risk selection and risk pricing. Or D. Selling various insurance products. Next question is: underwriting is the backbone of an insurance company because 1. Acceptance of the risk indiscriminately or for inadequate premiums will lead to insurers' insolvency. 2. Being too selective or conservative will restrain insurance company from creating a big pool so as to spread the risk uniformly. The options are A. Statement 1 is true and Statement 2 is false. B. Statement 2 is true and Statement 1 is false. C. Statement 1 and Statement 2 are true. Or D. Statement 1 and Statement 2 are false. Next question is: without utmost good faith, an insurance contract would take the form of which of the following? The options are A. A wager or a gambling transaction. B. A currency transaction. C. An insurance transaction. Or D. A financial transaction. Factors which affect morbidity: the factors which affect morbidity, risk of falling ill, and should be considered carefully while assessing risk are as follows. A. Age. The premiums are charged commensurate with age and the degree of risk. For e.g., the morbidity premiums for infants and children are higher than young adults due to increased risk of infections and accidents. Similarly, for adults beyond the age of 45 years, the premiums are steeper, as the probability of an individual suffering from a chronic ailment like diabetes, a sudden heart ailment, or other such morbidity is much higher. The morbidity premium for infants and children are higher than young adults due to increased risk of which of the following? The options are A. Infections and accidents. B. Chronic ailments. C. Sudden heart ailments. Or D. Premature birth.